Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting inspiration and limiting choices. This prevents overwhelm and forces direction. Choose 10 to 20 reference pieces and mark common themes, color families, and brushwork. Once done, select 3 media to test. Keep tools simple so you learn technique instead of gear. Schedule 4 short play sessions, 30 to 60 minutes each, so you iterate fast. Make sure to photograph results and jot a one-line note after each session. This builds objective data about what feels natural and compelling to you. Now you shift from broad play to deliberate experiments. Isolate one variable per study so you learn cause and effect. Do 6 focus studies: texture, color harmony, composition, mark making, scale, and speed, and vary only one element at a time. Photograph each study and write a 1-2 sentence emotional reaction. This clarifies what resonates with you. Once done, lay the studies side by side and choose the 3 strongest directions. Make sure to note why each succeeds so you can repeat those choices reliably. Finish by scaling up. Produce 3 larger works that combine your preferred marks, palette, and compositional moves. Iterate each twice to refine. Write a concise artist statement that explains your visual choices and intended audience. This sharpens decisions when you hesitate. Once completed, create a small portfolio of these pieces to test coherence. If you get stuck, simplify immediately, use a 3-color palette, and repeat a single motif. This troubleshooting trick reveals whether the issue is complexity or confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.